Hello, friends. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation for first time meditators. So, this is your first time trying meditation. First and foremost, congratulations. And let's go ahead and jump right into it. So, you're going to find a comfortable seated position where you can keep your spine nice and straight. So, nothing leaning back. This can be on a chair like I am, or it can be on a cushion on the floor. Whatever way you're going to feel the most comfortable, go ahead and find that seated position and make sure your spine is nice and straight, like someone is pulling on a string from the top of your head, pulling up on your spine. And you're going to maintain this straight position since that's going to help keep you alert and prevent you from getting sleepy. So once you have your comfortable seated position, we're going to go ahead and we can put our hands on our lap. So go ahead and sit comfortably, spine straight, and we're going to close our eyes. Feeling safe. And we're going to let things begin to settle down. As we close our eyes, things start to relax a bit. And meditation is very simple. Meditation is about being fully present, fully calm, and fully aware. And the way we are going to find that awareness and that presence is through the breath. So our breath is always in the present moment, our current breath. So we're going to use this as an anchor to bring us back again and again to this present moment. And we do that by being aware of the breath. So feeling the air come in and go out at a natural pace, not changing the breath, being aware of how it is naturally in this present moment. If it is deep, being aware that it is deep. If it is shallow, being aware that it is shallow. No judgment, no right or wrong. Simply becoming aware of what is in this moment. And we're going to drop all other thoughts. Naturally, they come and come again, but again and again we come back to the breath. And this attention on the breath isn't a forced attention, a tense attention. It is a resting on the breath. Like putting down heavy bags of all your thoughts, of past and future, all your projects, all the thinking. We're just going to put them down for these few minutes, letting them go. It's going to be okay if we simply focus on the breath for a few minutes. So completely dropping it. And sometimes we've been carrying these bags for years, so it might be hard to put down. But every session, every time we practice, we get better and better. So doing our best to put all thoughts, all past and future baggage down, and simply resting on the breath, enjoying the breath, finding inner silence, inner stillness. Let the breath be your anchor to the here and now. Feeling the air come in and go out. Feeling the sensation as the air comes in through the tip of the nose, right where it enters the nose, and goes out. Feeling how the air, when it comes in, is a little cooler, and as it goes out, it's a little bit warmer. As it gets warmed up by our body. And if the mind starts thinking, we very gently bring it back, focusing on this sensation of this breath. And every time we bring it back, it's like doing a rep of exercise. Every time our concentration, our mindfulness muscle gets a little stronger. Every time the mind wanders and we bring it back, it gets a little stronger. So don't get frustrated. Every time we become more and more mindful. And with every breath, we become more and more calm. Enjoying simply being, simply breathing. Blissful breath. We're going to keep this first meditation short and sweet. So we're going to conclude the meditation very gently. We'll always want to come out of the meditative state slowly. So we're going to do as followed. We're going to lower our gaze down without opening our eyes, lowering our chin to our chest. And very slowly, as to not shock our nervous system, little by little, we're going to begin to raise our gaze and open our eyes slowly. Take your time, no rush, lifting our head as we open our eyes more and more, coming back to full awareness. Congratulations for meditating, and may any positive energy we have generated today benefit all beings in the whole entire cosmos. And if you'd like to continue to practice, I recommend trying this meditation out a few more times. And if you want to advance and move on to longer meditations, I have all sorts of guided meditations on my channel. Feel free to subscribe and like for more videos like this. Thank you so much, and wishing you a wonderful rest of your day.